We're back out at Watts. One of my favorite Nike outlets. Right, they've been having all kinds of Jordans return lately. Look at this. Look at that, dude. That's an extra 40% off. And 40% off the back wall. You can see no kind of refurbs here, unfortunately. Starting with the 10, 10 and a half. It's got some Zion 4s right here, $100. So it goes down to $60 after the savings. GT Cut 4 Preheat. I don't think I've ever seen this color. It's crazy. Crazy looking. $152. That I say colors, all kinds of different sizes. LeBron's right here. Look at this. $110 for these. Are these mismatched? That's the way they're. Damn, I've never seen these. But yeah, $110 for these. Another 40% off. Holy crap. What's that, like $66? That's really cool. Jordan 1 lows right here. Regular retail. Well, you do get that 40 off. Next gen's $80. We saw them crazy prices at the clearance store. We're kind of seeing some of that here as well. What do they talk about for these dunks right here? $120. They're the book 2s right here. $120. Red lows. Patent leather. No price tag. A1s $115. Jordan lows $100. Lunar. Oh no, I'm sorry. The Vomero Rose $130. Peeping out the bigger women's sizes real quick. What's up with these? Extended size price? No. Pegasus 41s right here. I thought these were the Pegasus premiums. Nah, $100. You can grab this one right here for $55. But yeah, nothing crazy. These ain't bad for $53, but not really seeing much. These going for $100 right here. 50% off clearance apparel? What the hell? Kids, they still getting the white and black Air Forces. That's what kids still like. Yeah, look at this, dude. $30 for these right here, $60. And you get 50% off. They must have tons of stuff in the back. Some regular fleece right here, $50. Oh, actually, it's like a cargo fleece. Well, this is a premium item. Apparently, it's like hella baggy. Holy crap! But yeah, $115. It is tech fleece. I like the thing. It's like crazy baggy. And of course, shorts, swimming trunks. Oh, these ain't even swimming trunks. They're swimming trunks. They look like boxing shorts. Look like boxing shorts. Yeah, these bad boys, $30. Got shirts at 50% off. What the hell? What? There's no way that's right. $50 for a t-shirt? What the hell? Oh, it's a sweatshirt. I'm tripping. Processing a little bit slow today. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, I might have not gotten too much sleep last night, I guess. Yeah, $50 for this hoodie. Minecraft basketball right here, $25. That's interesting. Those Mamba hoodies that we've seen, these are small, so $60. LSU. I was like, is this Lakers? No, LSU. T-shirt right here. This is a medium. $50. Damn, these schools charging a grip for licensing. What the hell? $70 for the Caitlin Clark hoodie. That's actually pretty clean, dude. Pretty thick material. Yeah, so those gone down to $35. $35. $50 for USC polo. Back at the back wall, checking out the 9s. And they got books right here, $120. I thought these were like Black Forces. Oh, they are Black Forces. $125 for these right here. Interesting materials. It's like a black denim. It's not like black denim and suede. Kind of interesting. $125. LeBron trainers right here. Pretty dope colorway. It's like a brown. Yeah, it's a brown. $110 110, 40 off. Got one of these GT Cut 4s right here. This one's $2 for this colorway. Oh, they got another book. Oh, that's the wrong size. So 120 for size 7. Not too many refurbs. I came way late today. Gore-Tex version of the Vomero 18s right here. What the hell? Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Don't touch that. What the hell? But yeah, Gore-Tex version 140. GT Cut Academy 2s. I was just curious to see how these look because they're like the budget GTs. Okay, just like nylon material on top. Alright, let's go to 11 and above. Knock out this back wall. Tech Challenges. What are these? Size 12, 110. Full Forces. I feel like I'm at Ross. I would see these at Ross. 65, 40 off on top. Damn. Air Max 90s right here. They made the double bubbles. They made those for guys. I don't know. 110, 140 for the LeBrons. More of those books right there. Finally found a refurb, but it's something that nobody wants. $70. Got those right here. 58. Zoom Rival Fly 4. I think these are like middle distance. 63. Air Max 90s. Saw these recently. I was like, ooh. 130. Free Metcon 6 right here. Yeah, no price. Nice 13s. LeBron's finally seeing extended size price items, $100. Flight Legacies right there. Immortalities 45. MVPs $100. Oh, these are the ones that look like the 7 lows, right? They look like 7 lows. Dunks 10.5, 110. Big Feet Gang sizes right here, size 14, $50. Book 2s 120. They have all kinds of other stuff that's 50% off in the clothing section. These Ram shirts 40 down to 20. Is this Nike running or something? Dry fit t-shirt $20, so down to $10. Nike running shirts $30, so 15. Nike running pullover 45. Also got USC apparel. I don't know who 80 has been in the past, but yeah, $80. Normally 130. They got quite a few sizes. USC hoodie $65. A couple sizes left, just small and XL. 65. That goes down to what, 37.50 or 32.50? My bad, 32.50. 50% off random stuff over here. 40% off fleece. 30% off t-shirts. 40% off fleece right here. Jackets 30% off. Fleece 30 off. Let's see what's going on in the aisles where they do have these GT Cut 4s, 170, 40% off. And when they have them up here, it's definitely worth asking to see if they have other sizes. These right here, these go down to 120. Sometimes they have other sizes, sometimes they don't. It's a 9.5 on display. $350, 40% off of these. And they have a specific one right here, like some sort of collab or something. Kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of that, but $250, 40% off. And in the aisles, they do have a few pair of soccer cleats, and then of course, well, technically these are signature J's, but yeah, a bunch of non-signature J's over here. On the back side, they got more non-signatures. Someone pulled the switcheroo somewhere. Oh, there's the other one. Look, there's the other one. Do got some mids, a couple different colorways. And we got a bunch of the Jordan 4 RMs. Also got some Spizikes. And the flight cords right here. Got some slides, next gens, a couple different colorways. Then they got budget signatures. That might be one of the cheapest we've seen though. God damn, dude. 40% off. And then we got witnesses, more next gens, and then LeBron's right here. Oh, and then I think here's the victim right here. Here's the victim right here. Damn. Calm slides, Benassi slides. You got Heritage Volks over here. Some generic stuff. Yeah, all kinds of generic stuff over here. And then running section, not much. Bunch of budget stuff. They got some. Oh, those aren't even the real 270. Got some budget 270s now. And then back to the women's section. Oh, dang. We got some Vomero 18s. Right here, 135. Jordan 1 lows, 90. Rejuvenates right here, 55. Oh, these Vomeros, these are pretty dope. Oh, these are a great school. $80? $80 and you get an extra 40 off. Got Air Max DNs, unknown. Price right there. You got some dunks. I did order some dunks for my kiddo. Helped him get some dunks for his mom. And you had to go to StockX because the corduroy dunks were nowhere to be found. 85. I think they were around retail, so I guess people were scooping them up on sale and then selling them for retail. But even in the women's, not seen too many refurbs. Like, refurbs are usually like my favorite things. Cortez right here, 65. Remember, you get 40 off. Another one down here, 130. Checking out the kids section now. LeBron. What is it? 23 twos? What the? I don't even know what the hell that is. 120. Amy Scheme's getting all weird. 5.5. $80 for Vomeros. That's not bad. Got Jordan 4 RMs, 85. I thought these were dunks. Nope, 50. A1 70. Got a few like decent things, but a lot of generics. Like this stuff right here, and then a lot of repeats. Got these are not Jordan 4 RMs, so that's all right. Nothing crazy. Got some mids right here, 85. Moving over to the women's section right here. Do got quite a few dunks. Everyone got these. Cacao Wow Coconut Milk. Some mids, some lows. Seen these pretty much at every outlet. Got Benassi slides. Look at this, dude. Look at what the hell is this? This is just crazy. Some shocks on kind of like a dressy slipper dress. I don't know, but they're here. What the hell? And they do got these, the Mind shoes. I don't know. I don't really think these really are for performance or nothing, but kind of interesting, something different. 145. I got some 270s. Pretty interesting Cortez right here, suede and buck leather. Do got the Forrest Gumps. Tons and tons of generics, and then fools not cleaning up after themselves. Dang, we got a pandemic of fools not cleaning up after themselves. We got some Infinity Run 4s. Got quite a few. Looks like all those are brand new. And looks like this one's been here for a minute. Then we got one of these next door. In the men's section, not seen too much here. $40 for these Chuck 70s. Crazy huge Ultra Boost right here, $40. Got these LeBron Witnesses, 55. KDs. It's weird because I saw them marked down at that one spot and then haven't seen them marked down anywhere else. 70 for those. Got books down here, 70. Zero SLs. These aren't the same as the SLs. I don't know. I'm so confused with that. $40. Metcons. I feel like there's all the same stuff that we've seen before. I don't think I've seen many new things here. Another one of these, but it's a pretty big size right here. Puma LaFrance, $50. Air Max DNs, size 8 right here, 85. I've been seeing these as well as the Lakers one. Lakers one, I've only seen the smaller size. I think this one's been reduced. Clipper fans rejoice. These have been reduced 21. And let's see if the smaller ones. Yeah, the smaller ones reduced to 21 as well. Oh yeah. Women's section now. And look at this bigger size right here. Do you got Vaporflies? This is size 13 though. Is this 13 men's or 13 women's? Let me check. Yeah, these are 13 men's. 13 men's right here. But what's the price though? It's the price $100 it looks like. Gamma Forces right here, $50. Pegasus Wave, we've seen these 100 million times. Got some Gazelles. Gazelles right here. Is that 47? Got a pair of Vans. $27. Got some Chucks, 40 bucks size 8. Shiny Gazelles right here, 45. These Laker ones I didn't show you earlier. Size 7 men's, yeah, it was like smaller over there too, 30. Seen these a many times. And I think that's it. Not the longest video, but I think we're done.